Yes. All right, y'all, come on. My man. My baby girl, please. Today we are making hot CHEETO chicken. Yeah. What's up?
You don't get for nothing. You want to get Hooper and support your daddy's dreams. And the best you can be.
Yeah, we need you to be
it's
the
not
top.
Following others.
Yeah, we need you to do it because you want to do it.
Don't do what nobody else is doing,
bro.
and you will win.
Oh, sorry, mama. Yeah, it's getting red. Anyways, guys, let's get into the video. Come on, walk into it. Give me here.
She don't like that. Chill out.
What am I doing?
Aggressive.
I was not.
She don't like that. Right,
Y'all, he overprotective as hell. Oh, I know y'all like, how the hell is she gonna cook chicken with the bacon? I'm not cooking the chicken, he is. We just gonna do the hot chicken challenge. Come on, y'all. I got a baby. Ah, no.
Damn, I didn't lock in Lillard RA.
Are you gonna make the chicken or not?
Yeah, I'm gonna make the chicken.
Y'all, I've been trying to eat this chicken for a hot minute. I just don't understand. You better do what you can.
Where the hell is Bobby Portis? Where the hell are you? Oh, the camera's still rolling? Let me get some water. Alright, so what we doing is making this. Hey, look at this. Come on.
Hey, where's the other charger for this?
Hey, I don't know. Where is it? You know I'm gonna use that. Alright, look. So, look. What? How much chicken do you want to use?
How much chicken do you make?
We're gonna wash and clean as we go, but we gotta proceed. So we're gonna go ahead and take this chicken out. Cause I want to style it up with different type of chickens, but we're gonna do. Come on. This is raw meat. And let me see. You know it's finna be. Just look at it. Like, do I gotta say anything? It's perfect. This is perfect. We gotta keep it down. It gets hot fast. So we got flour. We're gonna do egg wash. So I can bigger than the bigger. Yeah, I'm gonna do it. I'm just doing a nice egg wash. Yeah, butter. We should do that with the rest of the chicken. Bacon.
I guess.
Baked chicken with asparagus. Alright, we need a pan. So we have, the chicken. We got this for the fried chicken.
Hey, he wanted me to help.
But we got a little extra, so I told her she can bake the rest because we used the rest of our oil. So she's gonna make some baked chicken, and I might throw some asparagus on the stove.
But I gotta make the chicken. I can't make the chicken with her, babe.
You can make the chicken. Are you gonna be doing this seasoning like this?
Right.
Okay, I'll do it.
He a chef, y'all. He a good man, Savannah.
That's letting you know that it's wet. Yeah, so you gotta get right on. Around this, as you can tell, some pretty big wings. So let's probably see if we can just do 2 at a time for now. Yeah, let me try this. No, I can't.
Okay, y'all, so I marinated the chicken in some hot sauce, and I'm gonna crush up the chips and I'm gonna put it all together or whatnot. We figured that it was way better this way, mainly because we felt like the hot Cheeto would stay on it a lot more. You know, Chef Boyard Sean is the one who told me about it, so he said this is the better way to leave the hot Cheeto and, you know, taste more of the flavor. So, right? So yeah, y'all, let me just get that cracking. Hey y'all, so the girl did her little thing. I put the hot sauce and then with the cheesy, and you kind of look it like this. And then we finna do a taste test and see how it is, cause this shit looks fire. So y'all, we use Doritos Flaming Hot Nacho. Okay, we didn't have the hot Cheetos, so we use the nacho, okay? And plus, I feel like the nacho would be so much better, especially if like we pair this with some cheese or something. Instead of, we could do cheese and a ranch. I feel like this should bust.
Get with the hot Cheeto, when you use it like as a batter, it's not really like the same. I mean, you could make it more into a batter, but like if you try to use like the wet Cheeto part, like some people will crunch it up, moisten it, and then they'll fry their chicken with it. It don't taste the same. You might as well cook your chicken all the way and then do the hot Cheeto after and then see what it tastes like.
I feel like it's like that mainly because you're taking all the flavor out of it when you really like.
Well, and the Cheetos is cooking on the outside. So when that burn, do you think that the chicken is done and the chicken not done?
Yeah, it's not. And then it tastes weird.
Yeah, it'll be like mushy a little bit. It don't really taste like it.
Ooh.
Third time making this?
Third time?
This probably gonna be the best time, yeah.
Yeah, this probably is the best time. Everything that he's doing with me, y'all, is the best time. Okay, let him know that, like, for real.
I thought I took this off the stove. 5 threes, I knew to take my nigga LaMelo.
Alright, we gonna leave these normal.
You got 32 points.
Alright, y'all, so we are finished. And now for the test. We gonna eat. Okay, y'all. Moment of truth.
We had to do the damn thing. She was complaining all damn fucking week. So here it is.
I want my chicken.
We gotta hurry up and eat it. We want it, you know, a little hot first.
Yeah.
Gotta get the sides ready.
You know I got my little ranch, y'all.
Bro, what the fuck?
Ranch.
Alright, y'all. Eat. I'm just gonna dip it in there.
Over there, 'cause you would get hella crumbs on the carpet.
I'm not. You just saying that because you got hella crumbs on the carpet. Okay. Okay, y'all, we got a better angle.
I need some ketchup.
You just said you need ketchup for something that requires ranch.
Tater tot.
Okay, get your tater tot. Anyways, y'all, moment of truth, okay? I don't want to look ugly while I'm eating it. Oh my god, no. Wow. Y'all.
That's how it needs to taste.
Are you serious? That's exactly what I wanted to taste for my first time. It's my first time making it like this. Oh my god. Y'all. Definitely making this again. Definitely making this again. With the same ingredients and all. That's it. That's it right there. Oh yeah. This it right here. None to play with. Debate, do it or debate, do it. He did it, y'all. This is right here. Alright, y'all. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment down below if you want to see some more. Or comment down below what you want to see. Like I said, I love y'all so much. Bye.